Hi guys, I'm Bella. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video ever, and I've had a lot of people ask me to do a tutorial with my James Charles palette since I got it for Christmas, so I figured today is the day I'm gonna do that. So instead of talking, I'm just gonna get right into the video. I'm gonna start with the shade Punch Me. It's this one right here. And the mirror is right behind me. I do this with my eyes open. I'm so sorry for my faces. I didn't even notice I make weird faces till I literally just looked. And yeah, I'm putting this like above my crease. I start with the lighter colors. I've seen people start with darker ones. I think it's easier to blend if you're starting with the lighter ones. I'm really sick right now, so that's why my voice sounds like this and why I'm sniffling. Okay, I guess I'll go with T. That is this one right here, this like dark brown. And I use this brush. I actually got it on Amazon. I don't even know what it's called, just some eyeshadow brush. I think it works pretty good. And then I'm gonna put that like below where I put the other brown. And just like kind of blend it down into here, into the inner corner, but not on the lid at all. Yeah, I guess I'll do like a cranberry-ish color. This one is called Boutique. It's right here. I'm using the same brush again. I just cleaned it off and I'm tapping it off once. And I'm gonna put it like on my lid, I guess. Blend it into the crease. This color is called No Beans. Do you think it's like Chipotle? Like no beans? I feel like that's like a Chipotle
That's
thing.
funny.
I don't know if James likes Chipotle. Okay, so this one's called... This is called No Beans. I'm gonna use that one. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. This is a flat eyeshadow brush, but it's like fluffy and round, so I don't really think it's flat. Okay, anyways. No beans. Okay. Beautiful. Stone. Okay, one more color. I'm gonna use the same brush. By the way, these are from Target. And I'm gonna use Benny. Benny? Yeah, Benny. This one. And I'm gonna put that in the crease directly. And then bring it down into the outer V. Okay, alright. So now I'm gonna do a cut crease with my Tarte Shape Tape. I have the shade Light Sand. So, put in a little bit on the back of my hand. And then with this rounded concealer brush, I'm gonna cut out the crease. I usually start in the middle, like on the bottom, and then go up. And I don't know why, but doing it with my eye open is way easier for me. And then kind of blend it out a little bit. Okay. And then with this, just as eyeshadow brush, gonna spray it a little bit with my Morphe setting spray. This color is called Halloween. It's like a metallic reddish gold. This is bad lighting, I'm so sorry. And oh, it picks up really good. Can you see that? No, you can't see that, but you're gonna pretend you can. And just pack it on to the middle and blend the rest like that. It's kind of pretty, I guess. It's a little bit too red though. Looks a little bit weird. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it off and then use, oh my god, there's a color called Cape Cod. That's sick. Okay, I'm gonna use the color called So Good. It's this one. It's like a shimmery, like champagne almost. And put that the inner corner. And the reason I only did one cut crease at a time is because if the concealer dries, it won't do what it's supposed to do. And then I'm kind of like blending that into the Halloween color. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, then I'm gonna take that same like fluffy eyeshadow brush and blend the metallic Halloween color into the mattes to make it like flow better. Oh, I like that. Kind of pretty. Okay, a little more concealer. And another cut crease. Okay, that's perfect. I'm so sorry for my sniffles, that's kind of disgusting. Is that the right? Yeah, that's the right brush. I don't think this is the brush I really wanted to use. Oh, where's my setting spray? I missed the brush. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Okay, Halloween again. I feel like there's better lighting on this side of my face. And then wipe it off and go back into So Good. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend the two. Why does the other eye look way better? I'm over it. And then the fluffy eyeshadow brush again and blend it so there isn't like a harsh line between the metallic and the matte. Okay, I obviously need to do something about this. I guess I'll go back into tea a little bit. Just let it see it. I like it. It's good enough. Okay, wait. My left side, like this side, looks darker. It's definitely English.
It's definitely English.
It's definitely just the lighting. Okay, next. done with the palette for now. Yeah, no, we're not done. This flat brush, I'm gonna use, got concealer on the palette. I'm gonna use the color Sister. That's this like English.
This like English.
Metallic, pinky, shimmery color, and put it on my brow bone. Okay, now I'm gonna tightline my eyes with my Revlon Color Stay. Yeah, Color Stay. I don't see that many people do this, but I think it like helps blend your eyelashes and your eye. I don't know what part of your eye that is, but it helps blend it together. Perfect. Should I do bottom eyeliner? In my bottom water.
Should I do bottom eyeliner? In my bottom water.
My bottom waterline. Yeah, why not? Okay. And then I'm gonna use my other Revlon Color Stay. Liquid eye pen. It's like the marker. Okay. And I do my eyeliner with my eyes open. Whatever. Can't see. I need to get closer. Okay. There's eyeliner. And before I do mascara, I'm gonna take more of the Shape Tape, just a little bit. And with that same concealer brush, I wiped it off so there's no eyeshadow on it. I'm gonna like kinda, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but make a line where the eyeliner is to cut off the eyeshadow to make it look more put together. There's probably better words for this, but I'm too sick to think.
I messed up.
Okay, and I'm not wearing fake eyelashes because I'm taking my makeup off right after this, so there's really no point. But I'm using the Buxom mascara. I don't know what one it is. It just says Lash Mascara. Okay, and for lipstick, I'm using the MAC matte lipstick in the shade Studded Kiss and the liner in Current. My faces. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish with the Morphe setting spray again. And that's it. This is like different lighting, but I guess I like it.